Children, the next topic which we are going to start is regarding our item or the particular thing in a partnership which can be treated as a charge or an appropriation. A particular item or the figure which is to be recorded as a charge or as an appropriation. Now, what do you mean by the word charge? Charge means this expense will be provided whether the firm gets profits or incurs a loss. So it is a charge that it will be provided whether there is a profit or a loss. And appropriation, the word appropriation means this expense will be provided only when the firm earns profits. In case of losses, it cannot be provided. Though it is provided in the deed, but it cannot be provided. So basically there are three things which can be regarded as a charge against the profits. Charge against the profits. First is interest on loan. If a partner has advanced loan to the firm, he will get interest at the rate of 6% per annum as per the provisions of the Partnership Act. And if it is provided in the deed that he must get 10% or 12%, then he will get 10% or 12%. But if it is not provided in the deed, he will get interest at the rate of 6% per annum. Rent payable. If rent is payable to the partner for using a particular asset of the partner, कोई भी उसकी asset use करने के लिए, if we are giving rent to the partner, naturally that rent payable will be a expense to the firm and it has to be provided as a charge. Manager's commission. Normally, last year in class 11th we have studied that manager's commission is an appropriation out of the profits. But in case of partnership, this manager's commission is treated as a charge. Because manager is not the partner, he is not the owner, but he is a third person who is employed as a manager by the partnership firm. So his commission will be payable to him whether the firm earns profits or incurs losses. Because last year when we studied manager's commission, we prepared the final accounts of only the sole proprietor. So sole proprietor was the only owner. But over here, there can be 50 owners in the partnership firm if there are maximum 50 partners. So in that case, these three items will be treated as a charge against the profits. And when an item is to be treated as a charge against the profit, it is recorded in profit and loss account. It is recorded in profit and loss account. Now, appropriation. That this expense will be charged or will be allowed by the firm only if there is profits. If there is a loss, it will not be provided. That is interest on capital. Though it is provided in the deed that the partner will get an interest on capital at a particular rate, but if the firm incurs loss, he will not get any interest. Salary commission. Again, if it is provided in the deed, but the firm incurs loss, he will not get any salary or any commission. Transfer to reserve. A particular part of the profit is to be transferred to reserve. But if there are no profits, reserves cannot be transferred. So these are the appropriations out of the profits. So this you have to take it into my mind. When you record the appropriations, it is recorded in profit and loss appropriation account, which is also known as profit and loss adjustment account. There are two names provided to it: profit and loss appropriation account and profit and loss adjustment account, which is one and the same. So these are the two things for the charge as well as the appropriation. I think I am very clear in this concept. Okay. Then